जय सच्चिदानंद। आप सर्वनि अंदर बैठेला परमात्मा ने अत्यंत भक्ति थी अभेद भाव मातृका नमस्कार नमस्कार नमस्कार. Jai Sachidanand. Welcome to our continuing lesson, regular lesson. We are going to continue the narration of the present Tirthankar Sri Simandar Swami. I'll go back to the last paragraph that we had discussed. I'll read that in English and then go on to reading in Gujarati and translation thereafter. Param Pujya Dadasi says, we cannot bear the suffering of these people. My aspiration is how people free themselves from the Vada Sampradaya and impartially proceed along the path of their welfare. In order for the people embarking on the path of righteousness, the construction of Trimandir is to motivate people on the path of righteousness and impartiality. The formation of the Trimandir is a beacon of Sri Simandar Swami. This has been pointed out by Bhagwan Sri Simandar Swami. When the temple is built of the present living Simandar Swami, then people will recognize and worship him. Only then the welfare of the people happens. On the day when Simandar Swami Bhagwan will be worshipped from home to home, the day when Simandar Swami's temples are built everywhere, then the map of Hindustan will be something else. Continuing, Mandirma Murti Upashna Parokshe. But Simandar Swami Mandirma Murti Upashna Parokshe. મંદિરમાં મૂર્તિ ઉપાસના પરોક્ષે પણ સિમંદર સ્વામી પ્રત્યક્ષ હાજર હોવાથી તેમની ભક્તિથી પ્રત્યક્ષ ભક્તિ જેટલું જ ફળ મળે છે. મંદિરમાં મૂર્તિ ઉપાસના પરોક્ષ છે પણ સિમંદર સ્વામી પ્રત્યક્ષ હાજર હોવાથી તેમની ભક્તિથી પ્રત્યક્ષ ભક્તિ જેટલું જ ફળ મળે છે. The worship of the established idols in the temples is considered to be an indirect worship. However, by the virtue of the contemporaneous presence of Bhagwan Simandar Swami, he is present. He is not present in this world, but he is present in Avideshetra. It is considered equally fruitful worship. So the worship of the established idols in the temples is indirect worship, but by the virtue of the presence of Simandar Swami, living Simandar Swami elsewhere, it is considered equally fruitful worship that is worship in the mandir in presence of the idol, worshipping idols, because he is a living force that has uh, blessed the temples and the idols, and his living presence can be uh, felt, and he's as you worship the devotion reaches Simananda Swami. In some places, there are Simananda Swami temples that are not free from constraints of the Vada Sampradaya. There are temples, there are few temples in existence of Simananda Swami, but because of the time with the constraints of the Vada Sampradaya, the instituted religious communities, they are not free of the constraints of free worship. For the welfare of the people of Hindustan, the construction of let's begin again. મંદિરમાં મૂર્તિ ઉપાસના પરોક્ષ છે, પણ સિમંદર સ્વામી પ્રત્યક્ષ હાજર હોવાથી એમની ભક્તિથી પ્રત્યક્ષ ભક્તિ જેટલું જ ફળ મળે છે. મંદિરમાં મૂર્તિ ઉપાસના, worship of the મૂર્તિ in the mandirs is indirect worship, પરોક્ષ છે. But સિમંદર સ્વામી પ્રત્યક્ષ હાજર હોવાથી, in the presence of the living contemporary living of Sri Simananda Swami, તેમની ભક્તિથી પ્રત્યક્ષ ભક્તિ જેટલું જ ફળ મળે છે. તો તેમની ભક્તિથી, that is the bhakti of the idols in the name of Sri Simananda Swami, pratyaksh bhakti jetlu fal male છે. Pratyaksh means present. It is equivalent to the worship of the present living Tirthankar. You achieve the equivalent results of the bhakti of Sri Simananda Swami. That is the worship of the idols. અમુક જગ્યાએ સિમંદર સ્વામીના મંદિર છે, પણ વાડા સંપ્રદાયના બંધનથી મુક્ત રહી શક્યા નથી. અમુક જગ્યાએ, some places, સિમંદર સ્વામીના મંદિર છે, Simananda Swami temples are in existence, but because of the constraints of the communions, communities, the restraints of that, the religious institutions, Vada Sampradayana bandhanthi mukta rakhi shakya nathi. The constraints, the limitations of the instituted religious religions, they are not free. They are not free of the constraints of the religious institutions. Bandhanti mukta rahim shakyanati. Bondage of the freedom of the bondage is not there. Rahi shakyanati. It's not present. Hindustani prajana kalyan માટે કોઈ પણ ભેદભાવ વગર વાડા સંપ્રદાયથી મુક્ત પ્રત્યક્ષ સિમંદર સ્વામીના મંદિરોની રચના અત્યંત કલ્યાણકારી છે. This is for the I'll read that again. Hindustani Prajana Kalyan Mate, for the welfare of the population of Hindustan, Praja, population, for the welfare of the peoples of Hindustan, for कोई पण भेदभाव वगैर पारा संप्रदाय थी मुक्त, without any partiality of impartiality and of the freedom from the religious institutions. The it is it's of importance that the temples are created of Pratyaksha Srimananda Swami, and that is beneficial. So, in some places there are Srimananda Swami temples that are not free from constraints of Vada Sampradaya, the instituted religions. Religions, yeah. In some places, there are Srimananda Swami temples that are not free from constraints of the Vada Sampradaya or its religious community. For the welfare of the people of Hindustan, the construction of Srimananda Swami temples is extremely beneficial, free from this, the discrimination of Vada Sampradaya. Right? Free from divisions, dividedness of the Vada Sampradaya. Okay. એટલે જ પરમ પૂજ્ય દાદાશ્રી ત્રિમંદર બંધાવવાના હિમાયતી હતા. એટલે જ પરમ પૂજ્ય દાદાશ્રી ત્રિમંદિર બંધાવવાના હિમાયતી હતા. Therefore, Param Pujya Sri advocated building of the Trimandir. Therefore, indeed, Param, foremost, Pujya Dadashri Trimandir Bandhavana Himayati Hata. Bandhavana built, Trimandir advocated. So he advocated, therefore, Param Pujya Dadashri advocated building of Trimandir. એવા મંદિર બને કે જેમાં દરેક સંપ્રદાયના લોકો કોઈ પણ જાતિ જ્ઞાતિના ભેદભાવ વગર અંદર પ્રવેશી શકે, ભગવાનની આરાધના કરી શકે. Take this sentence again. એવા મંદિર બને કે જેમાં દરેક સંપ્રદાયના લોકો કોઈ પણ જાતિ જ્ઞાતિના ભેદભાવ વગર અંદર પ્રવેશી શકે, ભગવાનની આરાધના કરી શકે. Such a temple will be created that anyone without caste discrimination can enter for the devotion worship of Bhagwan. Eva Mandir bani shake. That type of temples are constructed that indeed that every community, caste members, local people, without koi pan jati gnati na bhedbhav vagar, without any discrimination based on caste, koi pan jati na bhedbhav vagar, division or discrimination, without discrimination, can enter. Prandar praveshi shake. Praveshu means to enter. Andar praveshi shake are able to enter. Can enter or are able to enter for devotion, worship of Bhagwan. Bhagwan ni aradhna kari shake. Bhagwan ni aradhna means devotion to Bhagwan. Ni Bhagwan ni for of aradhna of Bhagwan. Kari shake, act of doing it. ભગવાન ના કરી શકે. So any such sun will be created that anyone without caste discrimination can enter for the devotion worship of Bhagwan. ભગવાનના ચરણ સ્પર્શ કરી ધન્યતા અનુભવી શકે. ભગવાનના ચરણ સ્પર્શ કરી ધન્યતા અનુભવી શકે. Upon touching Bhagwan's feet, experience his blessings. Upon touching Bhagwan's feet, charan sparsh means to touch the feet. Charan means feet. Charan sparsh. Touch the feet by doing Bhagwan's charan sparsh. धन्यता अनुभवी शके. धन्यता अनुभवी शके. Experience blessings. ધન્યતા. મંદિરમાં આવનાર દરેકને લાગવું જોઈએ કે આ મહારાજ ભગવાન છે. મંદિરમાં આવનાર દરેકને લાગવું જોઈએ કે આ મહારાજ ભગવાન છે. Those who enter the mandir should feel that indeed this is my Bhagwan. Mandirma avnar darekne. Darekne, anyone avnar who come to the mandir, mandirma into the mandir, mandirma avnar darekne. Lagu joye ke, they feel that ke this mara, mine, ja, indeed ભગવાન છે. મંદિરમાં આવનાર દરેકને લાગવું જોઈએ કે આ મહારાજ ભગવાન છે. Everyone who enters the mandir or come to the mandir should feel that indeed that this is my Bhagwan. ત્રિમંદિરમાં સિમંદર સ્વામી ભગવાનની પ્રતિમા એ પ્રગટ પરમાત્માની પ્રતિકૃતિ છે. ત્રિમંદિરમાં સિમંદર સ્વામી ભગવાનની પ્રતિમા એ પ્રગટ પરમાત્માની પ્રતિકૃતિ છે. કૃતિ is આકૃતિ, પ્રતિકૃતિ is replica. પ્રતિકૃતિ. ત્રિમંદિરમાં સિમંદર સ્વામી ભગવાનની પ્રતિમા એ પ્રગટ પરમાત્માની પ્રતિકૃતિ છે. Simandar Swami Bhagwan's statue, idol in the Trimandir is the replica of a God manifest. Bhagwanni Pratima, it's the image, reflection, it's the pratima, manifestation, imagery manifestation. Trimandirma, in the Trimandir, Simandar Swami Bhagwani Pratima, the statue or Pratima of Sri Simandar Swami Bhagwan is equivalent to the God manifestation, Pragat Paramatmani Pratikudrisha. It's the replica of the Bhagwan manifest. Bhagwan પ્રત્યક્ષ છે એટલે એમના પરમાણુ પણ ખૂબ કામ કરે અને ભગવાનના રક્ષક દેવદેવીઓ પણ લોકોના કલ્યાણ માટે ખૂબ મદદ કરે છે, આશીર્વાદ પાઠવે છે. Bhagwan પ્રત્યક્ષ, God is living. reality. So એટલે એમના પરમાણુ his atoms also are working hard, ખૂબ કામ કરે છે અને ભગવાનના રક્ષક and God's protector Dev-Devios. Rakshak means protectors. Dev-Devio, Dev-Devios, God and goddesses. Also, pan lokona kalyan માટે ખૂબ મદદ કરે છે. Lokona, people's welfare for much help doing. So, Ashirvad પાઠવે છે. So, simply put, God is living reality, so his atoms are working hard. And even the gods and goddesses, who are the gods' protectors, help a great deal for the welfare of the people, and they send blessings and get blessings. Let's break it down. Okay, so Bhagwan Pratiksha, Bhagwan is presently living. Therefore, his atoms, Amna Parmanu, but also Parmanu also do much work, and the gods and goddesses, Bhagwan's gods and goddesses, are protectors, God's protectors, also help much for the welfare of the people. Ashirvad પાઠવે છે, they send blessings also. આ ત્રિમંદિરમાં દરેક દર્શના બિલાશી, આ ત્રિમંદિરમાં દરેક દર્શનાભિલાષી મુમુક્ષુઓને કોઈ પણ રોકટોક વગર, કોઈ પણ જાતના જળ નિયમ વગર પ્રવેશ સહેજે ઉપલબ્ધ બની રહે છે. આ ત્રિમંદિરમાં દરેક દર્શનાભિલાષી, this Trimandir, everyone, rather, every darshana abhilashi, this is one combined word which is called darshan, and abhilashi means who are desirous, abhilashi, or have intent of darshan, darshana abhilashi. Mumukshu, and those are the seekers. Koi pan roktok vagar, without any obstruction, roktok or obstructions, physically or verbally, without that, koi pan jatna jad niyam vagar, without koi pan jatna jad niyam vagar, without any kind of strict rules, jad niyam, physical rules. Without that, pravesh, enter spontaneously or without any. Uplab means is able to or unable to enter freely, sahaja, freely or spontaneously. So we'll read that. Every seeker desirous of darshan, Darshana Abhilashi, Darshan Abhilashi, desiring darshan, is afforded spontaneous entrance to this mandir without any restrictions or rigid rules. Breaking down the meaning of the sentence here, Atri Mandirma, in this, Ma qualifies Mantri Mandir, Mantri Mandirma, in this temple, every Darshana Bhilashi, desirous of darshan, the seekers, without any rope obstruction, any part, also jatna type form of jad niyam. Jad means physical, niyam, rules, vagar, without pravesh, enter, sahajye, spontaneously or naturally, uplabd, are able to enabled, bani rahe che, qualifies uplabd, enabled to enter. અને તે આજે પરમ પૂજ્ય દાદા ભગવાનની લોક કલ્યાણની જબરજસ્ત ભાવનાના ફળ રૂપે શક્ય બન્યું છે તે નિર્વિવાદ છે. અને તે આજે પરમ પૂજ્ય દાદા ભગવાનની લોક કલ્યાણની જબરજસ્ત ભાવનાના ફળ રૂપે શક્ય બન્યું છે તે નિર્વિવાદ છે. શક્ય બન્યું છે તે નિર્વિવાદ છે. And today, the fruition of the Param Pujya Dada Bhagwan's robust intent of welfare of the people has become possible, reality, and that is without controversy. Ane te aje, and that today, Param Pujya Dada Bhagwan ni of Param Pujya Dada Bhagwan, Lok Kalyan ni Jabardast Bhavanana, welfare of the people, Jabardast means enormous or robust bhavanana, intent of intent, fruition, rupad rupe, sakya banuche, to become reality, has resulted. Shakya banu, shakya means possible, banuche, shakya, it's a banuche is the action of shakya. Sakya is possible, has happened, possibly happened. And te nirvivad che. Vivad means controversy. Vivad means controversy, and nirvivad qualifies opposite of vivad. Nirvivad is without controversy. And today, fruition of the Param Pujya Dada Bhagwan's robust intent of welfare of the people has become possible. That is without controversy. અને આપણે જોઈ રહ્યા છીએ કે ત્રિમંદિરમાં આવી દર્શન કરનાર પુણ્યાત્મા નિષ્પક્ષપાતી થવાનો સંદેશો અચૂક મેળવી ખરા દર્શન ક્રિયાની તૃપ્તિ અનુભવી છે. અને આપણે જોઈ રહ્યા છીએ and we are seeing રહ્યા છીએ, જોઈ રહ્યા છીએ means the act of seeing that in the Trimandir આવી દર્શન કરનાર, ત્રિમંદિરમાં આવી દર્શન કરનાર, ત્રિમંદિરમાં આવી દર્શન કરનાર, those who come to the Trimandir for darshan karna means the person who is doing the darshan. Those who come to the mandir for darshan are fortunate get the mess. Let's see here. Punyatma nishpakshpati thava. पुण्यात्मा निष्पक्षपाती થવાનો સંદેશો અચૂક મેળવી ખરા દર્શન કર્યાની તૃપ્તિ અનુભવે છે. Let's paraphrase in English, and we are observing that those meritorious seekers of darshan arriving in the Uttaran Mandir acquire the inevitable message of impartiality and gaining the satisfaction of the experience of true darshan kriya. So those who are, and we are seeing that, we are observing that those who come to the mandir for darshan are privileged acquire the inevitable achuk inevitable message of impartiality and gain the satisfaction of experience of true darshan kriya. Let's split this sentence. We are seeing that coming to the mandir for darshan, the people who come for darshan get the inevitable message. Sandesho means message. Achuk means inevitable message. Punyatma nipakshpati thavano. Become impartial and gain the meritorious gain the satisfaction of experience of the darshan kriya. Punyatma nishpakshapati. They get the message of becoming punyashali, and nikshpashpati means they are punya means the meritorious merit. Nipakshapati means impartial. It's the message of being granting maybe khara darshan kriyani trupti anubhavache, khara satisfaction and experience of the true darshan kriya. And we are observing that the meritorious seekers of darshan arriving in the Trimandira acquire inevitable message of impartiality. There is a missing impartiality and merits and gaining the satisfaction of the experience of darshan kriya. With this, we will end our lesson, the narration of President Tirthankar Sisivananda Swami. Jai Sachidanand, till we meet again. आप सबने अंदर बैठा परमात्मा ने तिन भक्ति थी अभेद भाव वारंवार त्रिकार नमस्कार नमस्कार नमस्कार. जय सच्चिदानंद.